Hey guys, I'm so excited to share with you this delicious treat recipe of puff rice. I used mamra, basmati mamra. You can use any kind of puffed rice in this recipe. Start by adding 1/4 cup of water and half a cup of coconut sugar to a stainless steel pan. Add a pinch of sea salt. Mix this sugar with the water so that it completely dissolves. Let it cook for about 2 minutes until you see bubbles, and then add 2 tablespoons of tahini, or you can just use ground sesame seed paste. And next we add our puff rice, 3 cups of puff rice, also called as mamra or kurmura. Stir to mix it completely with the caramelized sugar. And turn the heat off, and finally add 2 tablespoons of sunflower seed butter. You can also use any other nut butter like almond butter, but I like sunflower seed butter because it tastes like peanut butter. So yummy. Dump this mixture into a brownie pan and let it sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and then cut it into squares. This treat is absolutely delicious. You can't stop eating once you start. It has this caramelly flavor as well as the richness of sesame and sunflower seeds.